Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Hello friends, how are you? Today we discuss topic happiness because every person want to need happiness in life. Happiness is the best cosmetic for beauty and you can enjoy it even in the little things. Try to make at least one person happy every day, and then in 10 years, you may have made 3,650 persons happy or brightened a small town by your contribution to the fund of general enjoyment. Everyone seeks happiness. Actually, almost every action, activity, and goal are motivated by the desire to find happiness. The, the purpose of our lives to be happy. Everyone want to be happier and experience less stress and suffering. So if you want to be happier, instead of fixating on complaints, goals and getting ahead, focus on passion and pleasures. Do more of what you love and less of what you don't like doing. You will work more consistently and passionately, feel less stress, and will achieve more. Happiness increases when we discover the strength and practice it. The more we practice a strength, the better we get until we really master it. When we get really good at doing something we enjoy, we can get lost in it. That's called flow. Experiencing flow helps boost happiness. Finding daily way to use our strength is a key ingredient for the happy. Set an intention this week. We spend more time doing what makes you happy and less time doing what drains you. You already enjoy many things. Don't ignore them. Do more of it. You will increase your energy, elevate your mood, and feel more hopeful, enthusiastic, and positive. Happiness is a now thing. Don't wait until later to be happy. Happiness is our inborn virtue. Live our life well with happiness in our mind. When we are happy, we are making others happy. Human life is limited. Spend our maximum time in happiness till we live, be happy, and make other happy. Happiness is our true nature, but it is clouded by impurities of the mind. Purify the mind, then we will remain happy. The purpose of our life is locking ourselves into happiness. When we are happy, we make others also happy. Flower becomes happy when it blooms. When it blooms, it makes everyone happy. Happiness is a peace of mind. We should try to live happy. If we practice this habit in our daily life, we will be more productive, efficient, and skilled in our work, attitude, and approach. Happiness is our life energy. Carry happiness whenever and wherever we are going in our life. Happiness is our inborn virtue. Live our life well with happiness of our mind. When we are happy, we are making others happy. Happiness, love, friendship, and community go hand in hand. As human, we have a fundamental need to interact and connect with others. We naturally seek the people who will support our understand us, and we there for through life's rollers coasters ride without meaningful relationships. We are lonely and isolated. We are happier when we purpose happiness with others. Happiness increases when we discover a strength and practice it. The more we practice our strength, the better we get until we really master it. The people in our lives matter. Good relationships are one of the best way to enjoy happiness, health and well-being. Om Shanti.